Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for LG Y mainboard EBR75455701 that just sold on eBay, and it is sold as is, and this is the board that is going to be sent, and I am focusing on various parts of it so that the customer can know that the board that they receive is the one that this video is for. We're selling it as is for reasons that are listed there, and we promise functionality proof in it working in a TV. This is a board that was repaired here before. That's fairly unique marking that can't easily be reproduced. This is a board that was repaired here, and once it was repaired, it was put in our testing TV, which you can find in many other videos, usually showing functionality proof of the main boards that we repair or the power boards. This is what we currently have in front of a TV. The main board is in a power only mode. It needs to be repaired. It's stuck in that mode for whatever reason, so we'll take care of that. But it lights up the whole screen, which illustrates that the sustain boards went well. The rest of the TV, anything display related, is functioning properly. I want to point your attention to the fact that oftentimes when this goes bad, it can be confused with actually one of the buffers going bad, and oftentimes when one of the buffer goes bad, it takes down the YSUS sustain board. So that is actually the key reason, as the listing explains, as to why we're selling it functional if it's standalone under as-is conditions. If you do have extra problems, you may think that it doesn't work, or it may actually get damaged by a failure in a buffer board. You can see dust up there. As I said, that board was repaired, and once it was repaired, it was put in the TV. It doesn't work frequently. We use the TV as many other TVs when we need to test another board, usually main board. That's gonna go in its place. This board is going to go in place of that one, and the same thing will repeat. It will stay there until it either sells or we need to test another board there, and so on and so forth. That is that is all. Hopefully it is sufficient again to prove that we are sending a board that is working. It's been working for short periods of time, like 5-15 minutes, maybe once or twice a day. I don't know when it went in that TV, but it definitely hasn't seen a lot of use. That's all. Thank you very much.